Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change the theme of your website on your Wix editor for your Wix website. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm already in the editor. This is one of my test sites that I've created. This is just a template I've selected. It really isn't anything to be amazed at, but what I'm going to show you guys is how you can change the theme of your site. The theme pretty much encompasses the colors that your site uses, as well as a couple of different things. And to do that, you need to click on this A button with a drop next to it, which is site design. And as you can see, you have the site theme over here. You can then change the theme if you want. You can click on it to select a theme from some of these presets. And if you click change theme, pretty much the same menu opens, so you can choose whatever you want. I'll, for example, use, I don't know, eclectic, for example. And as you can see, some elements of the site have changed to better portray the theme that I've selected. And you can also change a couple of different things. You can change the color theme, you can change the accent colors, the base colors, whatever you want, the text theme, the page background, as well as transitions. And you can just click on it and easily just select anything that you would like. And it's literally as easy as that. As you can see, the background of the site has been selected to this, and it's covered by all the elements, but the background where there isn't any elements has been changed. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.